Hi, I'm Kevin Kim. I'm a PhD candidate here at KGI at the School of Applied Life Sciences, and I'm going to bring you along with me throughout my day. So I've been at KGI for 4 years now, and 2 of those years were for the MBS program, which I got the MBS in Pharmaceutical Development and Discovery. And now I'm a PhD student in Applied Life Sciences. So right now I'm going to go check out some Drosophila, my fruit flies. Keep our Drosophila behind this mesh wall here, this screen door, so they don't fly out. All right, they're happy in this incubator. Let's take a look. Yeah, seems like they have it closed and they're doing well. Okay, so I'm gonna check on the overnights and see if they're confluent enough. Yep, looks like the proper optical density. Yeah, we'll be ready to do some experiments later. So I'm headed to the lab right now to run some tests, and one of the cool perks about it is that my office is right next to it, making productivity a breeze. All right, so right now I'm gonna just count some of my samples here. Let's take a look. When I'm not in the lab, and when I'm in between grading papers and stuff, I like to play a little guitar. So one of the benefits of being a KGI student is that we have access to the Honnold Library, and I like to study there when I'm not in lab. So one of the cool things about KGI is that I'm able to work with a mentor who has helped me throughout my research. So right now we're going to meet Darren, and we're going to talk about clinical pharmacology, a class I am a teaching assistant for. Right now I'm going to the bioethics talk. Should be interesting. The people that I met here at KGI were very ambitious and determined to pursue their passions. So I really wanted to integrate business into what I'm learning as a PhD student, and my ultimate goal is to either start my own company or enter the biotech industry, and KGI has been pretty helpful in that process. So this has been my day here at KGI. For more information, go to www.kgi.edu. Thanks again for joining me.